What's up guys, in this short tutorial I'm going to show you how to download and install Slack on your PC. So the first thing that we need to do is to go and open Microsoft Store. So in order to open Microsoft Store, all you have to do is to go to Windows logo and you're going to click on it. And here, as you can see, is Microsoft Store. If you don't have it pinned, all you have to do is to search it in the search bar and we're going to search for Microsoft Store. As you can see, it's right here, so we can open it. Now what we want to do is to go to the search bar and we're going to search for Slack. As you can see, it's right here, so let's click on it. Then all we have to do is to click on Get. As you can see, Slack just got installed, so let's open it. To do that, all you have to do is to click on Open button, like so. And now what you want to do is to sign in to Slack. So guys, this was the tutorial. Thanks for watching and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel.